thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. Let's talk about this video I posted the other day real quick on YouTube. This is from the 4th, yesterday. And now lost to 200, simple moving average, and then bearish retest, and then downside. So the price is testing the lows of the range. If this doesn't hold, you're looking for 44,000, 42,000. Okay. Understand that if you get a move where... All right, so no surprise. Here we are, 44,000. Didn't hold. This level didn't hold. Key support didn't hold. 44,000. I mean, potentially 42,000, possibly 40,000. I mean, Bitcoin is in a downtrend. Everybody knows we don't hold downtrends for this reason. Bitcoin pulls back continually in a downtrend. So I extended some of these trend lines. You can see that Bitcoin's been respecting. And you just assume that the price action continues in this pattern until it doesn't. You know, you want to get a big bounce out of Bitcoin, and you're at some oversold levels. I mean, you could see some type of bounce here. You want to see a bear trap where at some point you'll get a reversal and then a bullish retest. And I'll keep you up to date on this. And that's where we essentially buy into the strength. You want to buy into strength. Trading this chop, these altcoins, like it's jump in, jump out. It's tough. It's not easy, right? This is a Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Clearly, you have this descending triangle. We talked about it this morning in the trading group where, again, if this level didn't hold, you're going to see 44,000, 42,000, potentially could see a move lower. But you have this lower trend line that's been respected multiple times. And I'm going to show you why. Everybody wants to know, why did this dump happen? And I'm going to talk to you about it in just a second. But so Bitcoin's on this trend line right now. Talk about some news, some negative news that came out, and the stock markets took a big hit based on this idea. Stay tuned for that at the end of the video. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he said, "Thank you, sir. You're a life changer." He was 10,000 in debt. He actually took a loan out, invested in crypto, and he sold during a dump, and he took a bunch of losses. And then he joined the group. He paid off all his debt, all his 10,000 in debt. And he ended up, I mean, he made $33,254 on Kucoin this year trading these gem picks. It's been this person started watching the channel. He paid off all his debts after he 10x'd his money just watching the YouTube channel. Shout out to this person. He made $1.28 million trading Kucoin gem picks. Banging. If you're not making a ton of money right now in this market, I can help you. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups. Right now, for a limited time, there's a New Year's special. You get $100 off and 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Today, the S&P 500 index completely dumped. And immediately, and I'll show you, this is Bitcoin in the orange. Immediately, Bitcoin dumped at the same exact time. We talked about this same exact idea previously. The Bitcoin market is heavily owned by institutions. And SPX, the traditional markets are closed right now. SPX needs a bounce here badly. Otherwise, could lose its previous all-time high. Would be a good sign for traditional markets. Bitcoin needs that same bounce. Every market that I've seen got completely destroyed today. Bitcoin, stock markets, the Fed came out, and they're essentially admitting they have to do something to fix inflation. And Fed came out in the United States today, and they said there's a lot of worry about supply chains faltering. And there's severe strain on just getting a lot of new things. I mean, going to buy cars now, there's 30,000, 10,000 over MSRP. You can't get windows. Windows for houses is like 13 to 15 weeks out. Like, supply chains are getting squeezed. And so there's a lot of people that are worried about this wage spiral. People are quitting their jobs or moving to other jobs. And so the Fed seems intent on raising rates and shrinking the balance sheet simultaneously. This news came out and it completely wrecked traditional markets, and Bitcoin followed. And so it's so important to pay attention to what traditional markets are doing, because now the reality is the stock market institutions are heavily invested in crypto. And this is Ethereum USDT. We talked about this bearish retest idea. I mean, you do not want to see a downside break here for Ethereum. Okay, you already have this double top, and then there's this falling wedge, 68% chance this breaks out to the upside. But if it breaks lower, parabolic drop. Your RSI is down here approaching oversold. But again, like this news came out, every single market just tanked. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.